Hello and welcome to another Spark AR tutorial. In this we're just going to go over the basics of image target tracking, what it is and how we're going to use it to track our poster that we will have created either in Photoshop or Illustrator or any other design program of our choice. So I've already created my poster in Photoshop. I saved it as a .jpeg, or I could save it as a .png, doesn't really matter as long as the image and all the details are in that poster and it's A4 size. So I'll just import that into my project. I need to now, in my project, go to Add Object and insert a target tracker. You'll notice that currently it's greyed out on mine. That is because I need to ensure that Instagram is turned off. So to do that, I go to Project, Edit Properties and Disable Instagram, like so. And if I now go over to Add Object, target tracker is now enabled and I can insert that into my scene. Once I've done that, you should notice that the little looping video of the man has disappeared and we get this little blue square. At the moment this blue square has nothing to track or nothing to assign to it. So to assign something to it we need to select our target tracker, go over to our properties panel, and where it says texture, this is where we will change that to our poster. And now whenever this poster is seen, the content for this poster will, anything that's linked to this poster will now appear when this image or poster is seen by our device's camera. You can't preview image targets using your computer. You have to preview them using it on your mobile phone or tablet, so you actually need to have your device plugged into your computer to test this. And you also need a Spark AR Player application on your phone. And there will be a video covering how to install this and use this available in this playlist. But for now, with our image target in our scene, we now need to parent some content to it. So I could either download some assets that I've created or found online. These could be 3D or 2D. But for the purposes of just showing you how to parent content, I'm just going to quickly add an object and just add a plane. Then I'm going to link this plane to my target tracker by dragging it onto my target tracker, like so. And now we can tell this is a child of our target tracker because if we click this little drop down arrow here, it disappears, and we now know that this plane will only appear when this target tracker is found and move in relation to its position and rotation to this. I'm just going to bring my my plane forwards a little bit. And we'd do the same process for our entire application. So for our campaign, any asset that we want to be associated to our target tracker, we would parent it to it. You can only have one target tracker in your scene at any one point in time, but you can combine target trackers with face trackers and hand trackers. But again, you're only limited to one hand tracker and as many face trackers as you can handle. So I hope this has been helpful and explains target tracking in a little bit more detail. If you still require assistance, please let us know, and thank you for watching.